Everything begins with the framework. Everything from our physical bodies to the systems we build in our minds to interpret the world around us. When it comes to portraiture, the framework consists of the face we never see. The skull is the unit that forms the structure we use to determine our unique features. Watercolor is a medium that requires a certain amount of spontaneity to accomplish what I want. So it's a good exercise to practice combining the structural block-in of the skull with the somewhat abstract approach of building shapes and color. Skulls can symbolize death in many ways, but in another sense, they are absolutely a symbol of life.